Hello everyone, this is me Brahmajit Mohapatra, and today we are going to learn about Microsoft project. I'm going to create a playlist for this particular course, and all the videos will be available on my YouTube channel. So just subscribe and stay tuned on my YouTube channel to just get follow-up videos and learn with me. So today we are going to start with the basic. So the basic thing about Microsoft Project is that it is basically used by the software managers or the project management team. Well, let me tell you the basic importance of why do we need a Microsoft project. So whenever we are creating a project or you take any particular steps, then we need to have a detailed allocations that on this day we have started this project. On the first we did the requirements, then we did the project assignments, then we did the designing, then the prototyping. And these all things we need to keep in a way that it forms that the details are in a systematic way. So for that we need Microsoft project, and thus you can just schedule the task, assign the resources to the task, tracking the progress, and also you can do the budgeting. And once the whole project is completed, then you have an overview by looking at this chart that, yeah, these all are the resources you used in this chart, and these are the things you mainly implemented. So, before talking about anything else, let's get started and let me tell you how to use this. So, all these things are basic. You must be knowing as we all have been following Microsoft through a long time now that we know that what are all these like views, insert, formats. So, before that, let me start with suppose I'm creating a task. Okay, suppose I'm planning a birthday party. So how do we create a Gantt chart for the birthday party? Okay, so this is the task we are going to do now. Okay, so the first thing is that what I need to know is that the event management team. Okay, I want to have an event management team. The duration means that how much time this event management team will require. Okay, so suppose the event management teams require, let's say, 10 days. Okay, so and it starts on these all things get automatic. You can also change the days, the date, okay, the years also from here. So this is how it is done, and then according to the start date and the duration, the finish date will be automatically assigned, or else you can just edit it and automatically the duration will decrease or increase. Now suppose I need another related task to this. So suppose I once I have done the event management team, now I need to know about the food management team. So food management team will work after the event management team has done its work. That is, once the decoration is over, then the food management team will come. So it will take 2 days. Okay. Now this thing matters is that I can choose the date from which I want the food management team to work from. So my event management team works will over on 15th November 2021, and so I want my food management team to start working from 16th November 2021, and it will take 2 days. Now see, so this is an option you're getting, okay? The first one is that it will link the process. So what it will do is that it will add as a predecessor. What do you mean by predecessor is that it means that when the first task will get over, then only the second task will start. Okay? It could be anything. Suppose I am planning for, like, I want to welcome the yeah, theme management team. Okay, So I give them a 1 day time, and I want them on the same day, that is on 16th only. Okay, yeah, and I give them 1 day. So now see, now I want that my team management team is related to the event management team. That is, after the work of event management team is done, my food and theme management will work. So that what I can do is like I can put here one. One is according to that this task number. So what will happen is here you can see in the Gantt chart, once my event management team's work will over, okay, that is it is finishing on 15th November 2021, then my food management team work will start, and on the same date only my theme management team work will also start. So this is how it works. So this is the basics. Now I can put many more things. Suppose I want to add that, yeah, I want to call cake delivery, okay, and I want this on the exact date of my birthday. Suppose the birthday is on 17th, okay, so I put here 17th November 2021. The day is one only. I want to give them a single day duration only, okay, and I want this to be related with event management, food management, and also the theme management. So this is how it will work. Now you can see that this fourth task is related to first and first, then second, and the third task also. So this is how the predecessor works. Now also, and there is another thing in this is that suppose I want to add resources, okay, like uh, like if I am calling the cake delivery, I also need to call that person, or I should have a particular resource required to that. And talking about in technical terms, suppose I need to design a product, okay, design a software, suppose. So I need a designer. So if I need to create a software, I need a developer. So similarly, the developer designer are the resources in those software management. Similarly, I can add the resources. How to add the resources? Could you see the view? Yeah. Click on view. Okay. Here, click on view, and here you can see resource sheet. Okay. What you need to do is add resource. So what I need is one is cake shop. Suppose this is a resource for me. Okay. Then event management agency, okay, and then the third is theme. Okay, now what type of things these are? Cake shop is a material, okay, event management is a work, and theme is suppose a work only, okay. Now these are the initials, okay. The cake shop, it starts from letter C, so it will use CET, okay. Now see, could you see here? These all are the cost and the price. These all you can edit. Okay, suppose it takes $100, you can add here $100. Similarly, now see. Now you can see that in this you're getting three options. One is start, prorated, and end. Start means that you give the money in prepaid. Like I give the money and then the cake shop will deliver the cake to me. Okay. Prorated is normally for the employees, the staffs. At, we could use the prorated in the event management agency. Like they will come and will work and will get the money. Then I can use the theme as the end. What is end? It is basically first you use and then you pay the money. Okay. It is basically a post-paid plan. Okay. First you use and then pay the money. It is opposite to the start. Okay. So cake shop I'm using start. Okay. Event management prorated, and this I'm taking as end. Okay. Yeah. Now once this is done, you can go here again and click on Gantt chart. Okay. Now you can add here the resources. Okay. Now see, what are the resources we need? For event management team, could you see the drop down menu? Yeah. For event management team, I need event management agency as a resource. Similarly, for food management, suppose I take cake shop as I haven't mentioned any resource, you can go there and add food maker or the cook chef, okay? And then add here, I'm adding a cake shop only. Then theme management, you need the resource as theme, okay? Then cake delivery, you need the resource as cake shop only, okay? So this is how the Gantt chart is being performed. So this is the basics of Microsoft project and how you create a Gantt chart from just adding the values in the table. It's super easy and easy to understand. Now see how to understand these things. Now I can see here the task 1. It started from the date 2nd November 2021. The duration is 10 days. That means the event management team is getting 10 days of time and it is getting over on 15th 11 2021. Okay. Now, the second thing is that these all tasks are related. That means once the event management team works is done, then it will go on to the food management team. It will take 2 days of time and it will work. And then the terms come for theme management. It will also work on the same day, that is from 16 onwards only. And then the cake delivery. And cake delivery is to be done after the completion of event management, food management, and team management. That is, task number 1, 2, and 3 are completed. Then only the cake delivery task will start. Okay, so could you see these lines? So these are the things. It shows that after the completion of these three, this task will start. Okay, and here you can see the resources required for the same. Thank you, and in the next session, we will be learning more about the things. Stay tuned, do subscribe to my channel, and learn, because the more you learn, the more you get paid, and that is what helps in the career. And these small things, the Microsoft project and Microsoft Excel, these are the things which are required in each and every industry. And I want you all to just focus on these small softwares and make a strong grip on those so that these will help you in future. Thank you everyone.